Happy New Year!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be teaching you our secret to get the perfect mince pie, which is guaranteed to be loved by all of your family and friends.
We hope you enjoy! Also, stay tuned to the end as there's going to be a surprise guest joining us. Ingredients are in the description box below. They will also pop up on the screen during each step.
For our pastry, we are going to use a food processor, and if you are, use the sharp blade attachment like this one. But you don't need to use a food processor. You can rub the ingredients together to form fine breadcrumbs.
Add the butter and flour to the food processor and blitz till breadcrumbs, or you can do the same by hand. Add the sugar and blitz till combined, but make sure it's still breadcrumb consistency.
Bring together the crumbs until it forms one smooth dough. Put your dough in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and chilled. This recipe will make 18 mince pies, so it's best to use trays like these.
Mould your dough into your tins at an appropriate thickness, making sure it's not too thin but not too thick. Save about a third of your dough for your lids. Fill your mince pies halfway up, make sure not to overfill them. We used shop-bought mincemeat, but for a challenge you can make your own.
Brush your mince pies with 1 egg beaten for a nice golden glow.
We hope you enjoy!
Now, are you ready to see who our special guest is?
Happy New Year! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome videos coming up. Bye!